Now, I've been working hard on YouTube for quite a while, and so's the rest of the family, so we decided we're going to take a bit of a break. We couldn't figure out where we were going to go, so we had a bit of a think. Now, I've been volunteering in a military museum for many years, and in Australia we do Anzac Day on the 25th of April every year. And ANZAC stands for Australia and New Zealand Army Corps, and they had our back in Gallipoli and they've had our back ever since. So we figured it was time we'd go and see what all the hype was about with our Kiwi cousins over to the east and have a bit of fun. Generally a friendly bunch, we thought we'd go and see what it's all about. This is a series of videos and this is one of them. Hope it was interesting, or hope it is interesting, and we'll see you later. Today we are in Christchurch, and probably last free day to explore before tomorrow we get on a plane. We're going to go and have a look around, see what we can find, see what we can do. Alright, and we are loose upon Christchurch. Let's see what we can find. By the way, this is where we've been staying. So right across from the hotel is Latimer Square. This used to be the historical intersection of a main street that I know very little of. They left a couple of decorative lampposts here. There's a bit of history to learn. We'll work it out. Rumours there's a tram down here and there's a shuttle to something like a gondola. So this was unscheduled for the trip. We're going to see what we can do today. Alright, Cathedral Square is what we're looking for, or Cathedral Junction, and I see tram tracks going through the building. Interesting.
Good morning everybody, welcome aboard. Christchurch tram number 178 was built here in Christchurch in 1922. It's one of 4 trams we've got out and about today, one of 8 trams in our fleet. My name's Evan, I'm the guy pulling the levers up the front for the sleep of our gorgeous city, Aotearoa, Christchurch. Bit of a dull day for a start, bit of high cloud around, hopefully it'll burn off as the day goes on. Coming into view on the left of the tram, the statue of John Robert Godley, the founder of Canterbury. You may notice he has a bit of a flat head. In the earthquake in 2011, he took a nosedive off the plinth and went head first into the paving stones. It's now a perfect spot for the seagulls to sit. It's actually one of the very first civic statues erected in New Zealand. It was put there in 1863. And it was cast using bronze from captured cannons from the Crimean War.
The old telegraph office. I saw on a video, and I forget his name, he's a very good bloke, that they deliver food by pneumatic tube here, the old pneumatic tube system they used to use for the post office. So this one was probably one of the stops I wanted to do while here. Come past. There we go. Right, I just saw a couple of things flick through here, but this? Modernised sensing system by the looks. I think mine's waiting in the throws here for a minute. Should pop out. Here we go. Slide that up. And here's our fries. Here we go. Alright. Alright, and we have curly fries. Crinkle fries. Awesome. Alright, in towards the toilets, there's some more of the system here. So obviously they're routing valves. Always interesting for me to have a look at. I'll put a coin in there, son. That's what this gumball machine's all about. Alright. Here we go. Comes across somewhere up the top here. Well, there's our gumball. Everything is cool.
Because that's the only car park you could find. Now the reason that that car is up there is that this street we're going to cross is called Litchfield Street, and that area was an area of bars and restaurants called Soul Square south of Litchfield. And people used to say, I'll meet you under the mini car at Soul Square, so it became a focal point.
Alright, we've got 10 minutes to kill till the shuttle. There's some televangelists going on over there or something. Anyway, might as well have a look at some of the sculptures while we wait for 10 minutes. So apparently this is the oldest sculpture, or at least statue, in Christchurch. Apparently during the earthquakes he fell off and head-butted the pavement. Got a bit of a flat head now, at least that's what we're told by the tram driver.
20 minutes later.
Alright, we're at the cable cars. We'll see how we go. So they come down, they just decouple from the wire, and they've got the decelerating tyres on the pulleys, and then they come back around here and recouple with the cable again. That's a nice solution. They don't have to keep the capstan turning, or they don't have to stop the capstan. As soon as they're out, you're in. Okay, Jess. Go ahead.
It's fine.
Okay.
Just take a quick picture. Okay.
Okay. Now the wheels will start to accelerate us.
Hold it. Hold it, Mum.
Touch each one.
You hold it, Mum.
Ready, ready, and we're on the cable. You're okay. It's okay.
How long is this trip? How long is this trip?
Okay, calm,
It is 8 minutes up.
calm, breathe. It's 8 minutes. Enjoy the view. It's crazy.
Sierra, this is just like riding a ski lift, okay? But the mummy
Ski
has
lift
to...
is less scarier.
No,
No, ski lift, you got nothing under your feet.
Yeah.
This is alright.
Well, carriage 14's pretty empty.
Yeah, because there's... Every other carriage is empty, sweeper.
That goes down.
Yes.
It's gonna bump again. We're moving.
Yeah.
Wait, let's wave at carriage number 4. I'm coming. Number 6.
Alright, so there's one off the bucket list. Gondola lift. They weren't wrong about the views. This is just stunning. And to think this might have been a volcano. Like this being the cold air of an extinct volcano. That's an extremely unnerving thought. And apparently they dug a tunnel under all of this too. That's like I said, there's so much we weren't going to get to do this trip. Alright, we are coming down on the lift. It's time to go back down. We'll see how well I survive that one. I've been a little bit nervous, I've got to admit, about this whole gondola thing. Okay, we have tickets. Jump in? Sure, okay. And here.
Wait for my mom.
Jump in.
My mom!
Right. Okay. You jump over that side.
No, we're going backwards.
You'll be alright.
Bye bye, top.
Okay, we're going to start hitting the rollers in a minute. Better wait till the stopper comes around. It goes clunk. Let's pick this up, accelerate, cable. Now, something for you loyal subscribers if you're looking for a challenge coin. This one's going to get hidden down here. The next person that finds it, you'll know exactly where this is. Right, well, I was just getting on the bus and I realised Texas has abandoned me. I'll just see if I've got a spare or if I can fix that. Graffiti artists here have definitely got some gumption to them. Look at this. That's a very monumental effort.
Now here's a trick. You can tell how hot it is in the city by how far out the door the queue goes for the rolling gelato. This is tram stop number 18.
Right, we're letting the apprentice follow her nose. She's good at food. She usually finds something nice to eat. Alright, we had to try the gelato shop. You're trying a hokey pokey. It's like hokey and chocolate and stuff. Yeah, it's free. I'm doing a lemon, lime and bitters. Don't know what my wife's doing, but she's certainly found something. It's good stuff. Alright, so this is the end of this video. There's going to be no time lapse tonight. Largely because I've got to pack up and we've got to fly out in the morning. So, yeah, we're going to leave you with this one and we'll catch up with you in another video.